Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service, and today no yard service anyways. It's snow and no fresh snow, so we are not out here for snow, but look at this guys. We have here 3 logs, and those logs are gonna be, I call them grizzly torches, but they're kind of like Sweden torch or Finnish log, whatever. So basically what's going to happen is I have my trusted chainsaw there, and I'm going to cut those logs like 4 ways, actually like a cross cut, like 1, 2 cuts. So we have 4 quarters of basically logs in 1 log, and it's a recreational fire log. You can cook on it, you can put a stove on it right here, and you're gonna light it up, and it basically burns from inside out. Looks stunning. And so these are like 18 inches tall, and they burn for about, let's say 30-45 minutes, something like that, depending on conditions like wind and how dry they are. Typically they're like within 15 or 20% of humidity, wood humidity, so like typical firewood. So I'm gonna have those for a client, gonna be delivered, and gonna not chop them up but cross cut them, and they're ready to go, and I'm gonna show you how. it, guys. We have 3 grizzly torches, and they're kind of cut 4 ways, like a cross cut. You put some fire starter in here, and then they basically burn from inside out all the way down. Most times those quarters remain fairly stable, so they don't drop off and causing any harm to surrounding areas, but sometimes they may fall off, so you still want to pay attention to your fire there and look into your fire restrictions and where to burn stuff. So we have a base about down here, so we stop cutting about like 4 inches of a base, so it doesn't burn all the way down. Yeah, so the way this concept works, it's basically kind of like a chimney effect. That's what keeps it burning from inside out. So the air basically goes through all those cut open sides, and then basically keeps the fire burning. So now you can see, you can use this for cooking. Like, you just take a log and wait till it burns so you have decent heat. Then you can put your pot right on the surface here, and voila, you have a nice hot meal or drink. Again, Rudy here with your yard service. This is how we do grizzly torch. Leave a comment or any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.